So I'm going to first read a proclamation to commemorate the day that we should all think about. Whereas on January 12, 2010, at 4:53 p.m., the worst earthquake in 200 years hit Haiti. The earthquake caused widespread devastation across the country. The devastated earthquake resulted in not only the loss of buildings, but killed more than 300,000 people and left more than 1.5 million people homeless. And whereas the earthquake in Haiti not only affected the lives of those living in Haiti, but crossed the international waters and had an impact on residents in this city, state, and country, and whereas on this day we remember and honor those who perished in the earthquake of January 12, 2010, we will never forget that horrific day, nor will we forget how the American people and the world responded with compassion and generosity. Prayer, hope for the Haitian people. Our obligation to ensure a better Haiti will not be forgotten. And whereas this anniversary of tragedy and devastation should also be an anniversary of triumph of unity over divisiveness, love over hate, service over selfishness, and hope over despair. And whereas we should demonstrate our respect for the victims of this terrible day by commemorating the lives lost and damaged, but we should also honor and celebrate the acts of resilience, courage, compassion, and many other qualities that represent the best in human nature and the Haitian character. Now therefore I, Rene A. Varela, Mayor of the City of Lake Worth, Florida, by virtue of the authority invested in me, do hereby proclaim January 12, 2011 as Haitian Earthquake Memorial Day.